Imagine yourself in the sun-drenched vineyards of Tuscany, a glass of exquisite wine in hand. This is not just a drink, it's a story of a region steeped in centuries-old traditions. Each sip is a testament to the rich, fertile soils, the sun's warm caress, and the meticulous craftsmanship of the local vintners. Indulge your senses in the aromatic symphony of the region's finest wines. From the robust Chianti Classico to the elegant Brunello di Montalcino, each bottle is a unique expression of the region's terroir. Savor the rich flavors paired perfectly with local delicacies, from the hearty ribollita soup to the succulent bistecca alla fiorentina. This is a culinary journey that will leave your palate craving for more. Remember, wine tasting in Tuscany isn't just about the wine, it's about the experience, the landscapes, and the people. It's about immersing oneself in a timeless culture that celebrates life's simple pleasures. So raise your glass and toast to the enchanting world of Tuscan wine.